Objective number 6, pedigrees. Pedigree is a chart that shows the presence or absence of a trait according to the relationships within a family across several generations. It's like a family tree of traits. Males are indicated by squares and females by circles. Shading in the circle or square means that the individual is affected by the genetic condition or shows the trait of that pedigree. So if we're studying albinism, all of the shaded in squares or circles would be people who are albino. If we were studying Huntington's disease, all the shaded in squares or circles would be those people that have Huntington's disease, anemia. Shaded in shape means they have the disease. A carrier or heterozygous individual is represented by half-filled shape. So somebody who doesn't have sickle cell anemia but carries the trait, or somebody who doesn't have Tay-Sachs but carries the trait, would all have a half shaded in circle or square. Remember, only autosomal recessive diseases can have carriers. Autosomal dominant diseases do not have carriers. This could also be for a trait. So if we were studying eye color, if dark brown was the trait and they didn't have dark brown but they had like light brown but they were heterozygous, a half filled in shape would tell us that they were a carrier of the trait. Horizontal lines between a square and a circle indicate a marriage or a union. So the square, number 3 there, is a male, and then that line in between shows that he's married to that female, number 4. Vertical lines coming down from a marriage or union indicate offspring. So the 2 circles underneath that would be the 2 daughters of individual 3 and 4 of the second generation. So each Roman numeral represents a generation. So this is the first generation. The numbers represent the individuals in each generation. So the first individual. Which individual is in generation 3, individual 2? That's this female. Which individual is 2, 1? That would be this male. And 1, 1 will be this male.